Hello, I am Lucas Clawson, historian here at Hagley Museum and Library, and this is Hagley From Home. A neat group of things in our collection are some volumes that look similar to this. They're not actually published books, but are part of our manuscript collection. They're handwritten books done from the 1400s up through the 1900s, having to do with things like fireworks and black powder and explosives. These all came into our collections through Pierre Dupont, who bought a lot of these books from a guy named Oscar Gutmann, who lived in Europe in the late 19th century. When he died in 1910, Pierre bought his entire collection of military books and manuscripts. This particular book is a French treatise from the late 18th century for the French Royal Regiment of Artillery, explaining how to make fireworks. So what this book shows you are how to do set pieces, like we do at Hagley's fireworks show. Setting up frames to make the fireworks travel back and forth, burn different colors, look like animals. So some of the drawings in this book are how you can set up your fireworks to look like certain things. Or like this with an eagle with a spinning firework underneath it. You can make fireworks burn different colors. All of them in this era were made of black powder, and many now are made of black powder. And you can add in different types of metals to make them burn different colors. So part of what this book tells you is not only how to make pyrotechnic black powder, which is black powder for fireworks, but you also have a handy fold-out chart. I'll show you some of the other or some of the images in here as well of how to make these fireworks, how to make rockets, what rockets should look like. But you've got charts that explain to you some of the different ingredients you can put in so that the powder will burn different colors. It's a really interesting early manuscript on how to do this. And part of the connection with the military, why this is dedicated to the Royal Regiment of Artillery, is because that's often what the military would do. They could put on pyrotechnic shows that if you want to salute someone in a certain way or celebrate a holiday, often in the 18th, 19th century, the military did that rather than any kind of civilian group. So that's why these things exist, particularly for military regiments, military groups, things like that. So some of the fantastic things you can find here in the manuscripts department at Hagley Museum and Library.